welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a fun video. I'm going to give you guys a fidget tour. This video has been requested for so long, so let's get started. Starting with poppets. Okay, so first I have this dinosaur poppet and I love it so much. It's so easy to pop. And I also love how there's like this dinosaur like printed on it. It's so nice. 9 out of 10. Next is my butterfly poppet. I love this one. It's the definition of a butter poppet. It's so smooth. Like, do you guys see that? And the color, so nice. And I love popping it. I can pop it all day. The holes are a little bit too small for my fingers though, so I'm going to give this a 8.5 out of 10. Next, I have this little baby poppet, and I don't really like this one too much. It's so badly bented, and it's also really hard to pop. And I don't even know what it is. Is it a moon, a Pac-Man, a cheese wheel? I'm sorry, but 5.6 out of 10. Next category is squishies. This is my favorite squishy. It's my axolotl squishy, and I love it so much. Challenge for you guys, subscribe if you guys know 3 YouTubers that have the same squishy as me, because I can name a lot. Okay, next I have these squishy. So I have this super cute green panda. Oh, I forgot to rate this one. This is a 10 out of 10. But this one is so nice. It's small, so you can fit it in your poppet, and I love it so much. It's like those styrofoam ones, so it's also slow rising. Ready? Like, that's so cool. I'm going to give this a 9.5 out of 10. I just love it. I just don't like how it's so small, but it's so cute. Okay, next is basically the same thing, but it's a grape milkshake, and it kind of reminds me of like a Starbucks grape milkshake. And I love this one more than the panda because it had like the super cute face. But this one is even more slow rising. Ready? Like, oh my god. It's just so fun to watch. Also fits in your pocket. These two are 9.5. Next, I have these Taba squishies. These are like hedgehogs, porcupine. I have 2 of them. I have this big green one and this baby yellow one. These are so nice. Green one. This one is so nice. I love pulling this